In this video, I will show you additional variables that have been added to provide context to scripted actions based on how they're triggered. So let's go ahead and open up a scripted action page. So for instance, let's open up a workspace and find a host pool and go to properties page, select VM deployment, and here's where we have our various scripted actions. So let's say we wanted to run a certain scripted action when the VM is created. If we now take a look at the tooltip, which lists all the various variables that are passed to the scripted action to give it context, there are two new variables that are available. The first one is called SA trigger for scripted action trigger. And this trigger will tell the scripted action how the script was actually executed or why it was executed. For example, for this particular section, the trigger is either on VM create or on host create. So it will be basically, if a VM is created, if the scripted action runs from here, or on host creation, scripted action runs from here. For instance, if we use the started scripted action trigger, we would see that this would be on VM start. And then we also have the scripted action trigger mode, and this mode could be manual, so meaning someone executed the scripted action on a particular VM. It could be that it was done with a scheduled operation via REST API or using the autoscale automation. So these two new variables are basically providing context to the scripted action to know how it was executed and what triggered its execution, so that if there's something in your code that needs to detect the context, additional context is now provided. Hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.